Hello everyone, this is our today's LeetCode question. N-ary Tree Postorder Traversal. In this question, we have to implement post-order traversal. This is a very easy question. We all know the what is the implementation of post-order traversal. Means our main route will be added at the last of our recursion call. This is a basically implementation of post-order traversal. But in this case, our question in given question, they don't have given us a binary tree. They have given us N-ary tree. Means that there can be multiple nodes. We cannot the predict we cannot predict number of nodes. In this, one have three childs, one, two, and three, and three have only two childs, five and six, and two doesn't have any child. So we have to we have to provide such a mechanism so that we can access all these nodes. For this, we can simply use one for loop. Suppose we use for loop on one. Suppose this is our root node, and we have to traverse its child. So in for loop, first we give our first child as a 3, second child as a 2, and third child as a 4, depending on number of childs basically. After that, we have to simply push this 3, 2, and 4 in our array, and this is all the implementation of this code. So to understand this, we have coded it. First, we have created one array. Then we have to pass our main root node and our array into the recursion. For this, we are simply implementing the post-order traversal as a traditional post-order traversal. We can iterate it, but instead of going to left or right, we are traversing our child by this for loop. This for loop is a main important thing of this problem. For accessing child, we are implementing this for loop. So this IT is indicating actual node of that particular root. Suppose this is one is our root, and this IT will be 3. After second, after one iteration, this will be 2. After another iteration, this will be 4, and simply this will goes to our recursion call. Means now our child is now our root is 3, suppose. Now this go into the recursion. Now our 3 is now our root. So our new child will be 5 and 6, and after that there are no further children of a 5. Then our root will be null, and we have to return from that root. And after returning, came here. After that, we have to simply add this 5 and 6 into our array. After that, 5 and 6, our 3 will be added to our array. After that, 2 will be added. After that, 4, and after that, 1. This will be our whole structure and intuition behind our code. So this is a very simple code to understand. I am running this code, and it pass all the test cases and simply submitting, and it is submitted. Thank you.